If you're watching this video, then you probably don't know the title because it does not have one. So let's dive deep into how I achieved this useless triumph. Many of you may think that it's just space character or space characters, but let me remind you that YouTube and most of the other platforms truncates leading and trailing spaces, so you cannot send any messages or set video title with just using spaces. The story begins when I first got an empty message from a friend. Then, fascinated by it, I started researching on the topic. There were some videos in YouTube as well without any title but without any proper description of how they have done it, or the topic was simply different but there was missing title. Then I thought my channel is already dead anyway, and now probably my microphone too, so why not upload a video on YouTube without any title. So finally, after hours of googling and my research, I came to this Wikipedia page of Braille pattern.0. Here you can see an empty space between the parentheses, and if you just copy and paste this, then you are good to go. You can set title of a video, which is obviously empty, and also send empty messages to your friends as well. But visiting this site every time you want an empty character can be quite boring and tedious. So how can we just type it on our text editor? So for that, there is also a character information table under it. If you see the Unicode encoding section, there is decimal code of 10240, which means that you can get empty character by pressing Alt plus 10240 in any Unicode supported text editor. Your Microsoft Word already supports Unicode encoding, so you can just type Alt plus 10240 to get an empty character, and this is how my video title is empty. So this is all for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. Until my next video, peace.